Good evening, guys. Am I audible to everyone? Yes? Okay. So, where did we stop yesterday? Where did we stop? We stopped at many to one, right? We were able to insert the data into the table. Yes? Okay. So, when we should make use of many to one annotations, guys? Anyone can answer? When we should make use of many to one annotation? Okay, so your answers are correct. Your answers are correct. Here we did not use list because we are not going to add any list of items here, right? We are not going to add any list of items here. I have created a hotel object here. I have created a hotel object. I have created one room object and I have added the hotel here. I'm not adding list of hotels here. Just hotel ID. Yes. Similarly, I'm creating another room. Here again, I'm adding the hotel. Yes. So in many room, I'm adding one hotel object. In many room, I'm adding one hotel object. So this is many to one scenario. We have already inserted the data. Now we need to get the data from the table, right? So when I give room ID, will I get hotel data also? Will I get hotel data also? If I tell find room dot class 1 ID 1, will I get hotel information also? Okay. So if you are telling no, if you are telling yes, I want you people to use your common sense. In room table, I have hotel ID column. In room table, I have hotel ID column. So obviously, when I ask for room ID 1, I will get hotel details also. Yes, this is what we understood yesterday. This is what we understood yesterday. Now, okay, we'll execute and we will check. I just create a class get room hotel details. Okay, so here in main method, I should make use of entity manager factory. So let me add them. Now which method I should use? Now I should use entity manager dot find from which class room dot class id. I have given 1, so I'll take id as 1. This will return me room object. Along with this I will get hotel object also. So now when I try to execute, you can see here room ID, capacity, hotel, hotel ID, hotel name, hotel address. We are getting, yes. Now instead of room, if I give hotel dot class, if I give hotel dot class and I'll give ID as 11, I'll give ID as 11. Will I get room details? Will I get room details? I will not get room details because it is unidirection. Only from room you will get hotel. From hotel we will not get room because we did not do that mapping. Correct? We did not do bi-direction mapping. We have done only unidirection mapping, so I'll get only hotel. I'm not getting room. But from room I'm getting hotel because in room table I have hotel ID. Yes? You understood unidirection? How it works? Now can you people execute this? Yes, Rahul, it's merge method. We have already used, right? Merge and remove for delete. Same method only. Okay. So now we are done with many to one. Yes. What is the last annotation which we have? We have many to many. We have many to many. It is also simple, guys. It is simple and it is easy like one to one. How you used one to one, same way you can use many to many. Okay. So let's take one scenario. Okay. Now let me take I'll take student. We have many students, student 1, student 2, student 3, student 4. Understand the scenario. Okay, understand the scenario. And then let's take, we have many subjects. So subject 1, or let me take, we have Java, we have Python, we have SQL, we have web technology. Okay, fine. These subjects are more than enough. Now, look at this. Student 1 can opt Java. Student 1 can opt Java subject. Yes. Student 1 can also study SQL. Student 1 can also study web technology. Correct. One student is studying more than one subject, means many subject. Next will come student 2. Student 2 can opt Python. It can also opt SQL. It can also opt web technology. Yes. Similarly, student 3 can also go with SQL and web technology. Student 4 can go with web technology and Java. Yes. So what is the scenario here? One student can opt many subject. One subject can be taken by many students. One student can opt many subject. One subject can be taken by many students. So it is many to many. It is many to many relation. Yes, it is many to many relation. Yes, you understood how it is many to many relation. One student can take many subjects. At the same time, one subject can be taken by many students. Yes, so here we have many to many relation. So whenever you come across with such scenarios, we need to make use of many to many annotation. We should make use of what? Many to many annotations. You can either use it in student class or you can use it in subject class. No issues. You can use it in any one of the class because we are understanding unidirection. So this is the example here. We'll start executing directly. Okay, we'll start executing directly. So guys, everyone just create a Maven project, many to many mapping, and add the dependencies persistence.xml and create a schema also. Many to many mapping. So Maven project is getting created. Hello. Yes. Yeah. Yes, yes, you can.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm audible, students? Yes. Okay. This is Darshan from HR. I am sharing a PPT presentation. Hope it's visible for you all. The first requirement we have you guys for you guys is as a software engineer in Bangalore. It will be a face-to-face interview. Work location will be in Bangalore. You will be receiving 12,000 per month for the first 6 months, after which you will be receiving 25,000 per month based on your performance. There will be a 2.5 years bond agreement, and criteria are qualifications of BE, BTech from CS, IS, and IT streams. Year of pass should be 2021 and 22. You need to have minimum 60% in your academics. And next requirement is in Bangalore. Skills required are manual testing and automation completed students. For the first 6 months, you will be receiving 15,000 per month, and thereafter 20,000 per month for the second 6 months. For the second year, you will be receiving 2,50,000 per month to 3 lakh based on your performance. There will be a 1 year agreement. This is only for females. Criteria are BCA and BSc, streams from CS, IS, and IT. Experienced candidates can also apply for this course, this requirement. There will be an HR round, technical interview, and final interview. Have you guys taken the screenshot? Those who are interested in the requirements, share your mobile number, bill number, and your name to the HR number which I have shared. Okay, students? Yes. And more importantly, I am sharing a Google form link in the chat. Can you find the chat? I have shared a Google form link in the chat. Everybody open the form now itself and fill the form. It will hardly take 1 to 2 minutes to fill the form. It is mandatory for you to fill the form now. Yes, Soundarya. It is a feedback form. Everyone should fill the form now itself. I will wait for a minute in the class.
Sir?
If you have any doubts, you can ask.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Sadananda.
Sir, I didn't get any requirement till now because I have joined Q Spiders in August 8. So till now, I didn't get any requirement, sir. I have completed my BE in mechanical engineering.
Okay.
So please share the requirements regarding my related to my branch, sir.
What stream are you in?
Mechanical.
What course are you taken?
Every core branch student is facing the same problem, sir.
I'm sharing a HR number in the chat. Everybody find the HR number and you can talk to them.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I'm sharing the number to everyone.
Sir, everyone should fill this feedback form, sir.
Yes, HR form everybody. Sorry, feedback form everybody should fill.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Everybody fill the form now itself. I will wait and I'll guide you if you have any doubts. If you don't know your counselor's name, you can write it as ABC. Done, students? Karthik, if you don't know your counselor's name, type it as ABC. Good, Navin. Ketan, nice. Navya, you can speak if you have any doubts. I am sending the link once again to you, Navya. Check, refresh your chat, and you must be able to receive. I had shared one requirement. The requirement is fourth requirement, that is testing in Bangalore, manual testing and automation completed students. You can take the screenshot of the current page. Yes, Chetan, do you want to say something?
Sir, this class is for testing or developing? Hello? Sir, I am audible?
Prajakta will give you the requirements very soon. And the last thing is, we have a requirement for 17 companies, and you take the screenshot of this too. And after the class, everybody refer the table. And if you are eligible for any of the requirement, contact your HRs. Share your mobile number, bill name, and your name to the HR number.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, students. All the best for your interview, guys. Thank you.
Did you people create Maven project schema? Added the dependencies? Did you people add persistence.xml? Everything is done. Shall we start with execution? Okay, so as what we discussed, we'll just try to create a class. Here I'll give the package name. And class name, I'll give it as student. Yes, first thing you need to mention @entity. Next, let's take, we have private int id, private string student name, and here @id. Okay, so now we will be adding list of subjects. We'll be adding list of subjects. So list of subjects. I'll create a class for subject. So here I'll be adding @many to many annotation. @many to many annotation, and I'll add generate getters and setters, and I will generate a toString method. Yes, student class is done here. Next, in subject class, @entity, private int id, private string subject name. So @id, and here we'll be generating getters and setters. We'll be generating toString method. Done. Now if I want to insert the data, I'll create a class. I'll write insert student subject. I'll write main method. I should make use of entity manager factory, entity manager, entity transaction. I'll make use of all these three here. Now first, which object should I create? Which is independent, which is not dependent on one class? Subject is not dependent. Yes, subject is not dependent on anything. So what we will do? We'll create subject object. Subject sub1 is equal to new subject sub1 dot. I'll set the ID sub1 dot. I'll set the name of the subject Java. Similarly, I'll create another subject object. Subject 2 12 subject 2, set it as SQL. Done. Now should I add these subjects into the list? See the student class. I'm accepting list of subjects. I'm accepting list of subjects, right? So I need to make use of list collection here. So what I'll do, I'll write list of subjects is equal to new array. Instead of creating object like this, I'll directly use arrays dot as list, and I will pass subject 1, subject 2. I added into the list. Now I should create a student object. So I create student s1 is equal to new student s1 dot set id. I'll set id as 1. s1 dot set name. I'll set the name of the student as Dimple, and I'll take s1 dot set subjects and I'll pass the list of subjects to the student. Yes, one student has taken many subject. One student has taken many subject. Yes, that is Java and SQL. Similarly, I can create two more subjects and add it into the second student list. But as of now, we'll try to insert this. Entity manager transaction dot begin. Entity, sorry, entity transaction dot begin. Entity manager dot persist. I need to persist student object. Entity manager dot persist. I need to persist subject. Sorry, student one, sub1. Entity manager dot persist sub2, and entity transaction dot commit. Yes, now let me execute this. Let's see, table should get created successfully and data should get inserted successfully. Yes, data is getting inserted. Now, I'll go back to my workbench. I'll just refresh here, many to many mapping. Can you see how many tables are created here? One is student table, good. Student ID, student name. Other one is subject table, okay. And others, I have another table. Why third table is getting created here? Any idea? You people should be knowing why third table is getting created. Because in one cell we are trying to store many data. But we cannot store, right? According to your normalization rule, in one cell only one data can be stored. So Hibernate automatically creates another table. Yes, that is the reason 3 tables are getting created. So in interview, this question they might ask, so whenever we use one-to-one mapping, how many tables will get created? When you use one-to-one mapping, for each class, one table will get created. So totally 2 tables will get created. In one-to-many, how many tables will get created? Will extra table get created or no, it will not get created? Extra table will get created. In many to one, do we get any extra tables? No, we will not get any extra table. In many to one. In many to many mapping, again one extra table will get created. Why it is getting created? If they ask, you can tell. In one row, we are trying to store more than, in one cell, we are trying to store more than one data, which is not possible according to your normal I1NF form. That is the reason Hibernate creates another table by itself. Yes, this should be your answer. If you answer like this, interviewer will be like he can understand that you know the concepts well. If not, he will start asking you unnecessary questions. Okay. So now, you people just execute this program. I'll just share the code in your WhatsApp group. Arpita Shetty, many to many means both the sides also. See, from student can take many subjects, one subject can be taken by many students. There will always be many to many relationship between both the classes, but in one to many it is not like that. One mobile will have many sim. One sim cannot go fix into many mobiles, right? One sim cannot go sit in many mobile, that is not possible. So in one to many, you will have one to many relationship where you will be making use of that annotation in any one of the class, not in both the classes. But in many to many mapping, you can use it in both the classes. You will not have any problem. Karthik, you can just search for console and select it if it is not visible. Please repeat what, Himanshu? I have shared it in group, all the codes. So if you want to add in both the sides, that I'll explain you in bi-direction. Okay. Now we are doing unidirection. So don't worry about that. The third table creation reason. Okay. Why third table is getting created in many to many and in one to many scenario? Third table is getting created. Why it is getting created is, in one cell, we are trying to store more than one data. In one cell, we are trying to store more than one data, which is not possible according to your normalization 1NF form. That is the reason Hibernate creates a new table and it will add the IDs and it will match. Okay. Bi-direction means from both the classes you can fetch all the data. Ujayavani, clear? Now unidirection, right? From only one class you are getting the data. From other class you are not getting the data. Right? From hotel class you are not getting room data. From room class you are getting hotel data. In bi-direction you will get it both the ways. Did you people completed your execution? Omkar, code is already shared in group. How many times you want me to repeat the same thing? Okay, look. Did everyone completed it? Data is getting inserted. Yes, if you want to add another subject, you can add. You need to add the subject object. You need to create a subject object and create a student object. Add into the table. You can add same way, but data you need to change. That's all. Okay, now if I want to fetch the data from the table, since you people are asking me to show delete and update, I'll just show for this example. Okay, the same way you can do. Yes, you can add all together. You need to create suppose I want to add 2 students and 4 subjects. You need to create all the objects at once and add it. Pratik, that is also possible. You can do it. Okay, I'll try to get data. Because get data is easy. I hope you people can do it. I'll have main method in which I should have entity manager factory. Now here I'll try to fetch student details. I'll get subject details also. Entity manager dot find student dot class student ID I have given 1. And then I print yes. Now if I try to print, I'm getting student ID, student name. What are the subjects do the student have opted? One is Java, another one is SQL. I'm getting, yes, I'm getting from student, I'm getting subject data also, right? Yes, okay. Now, guys, you people only tell me if I want to update student details. Update. Everyone are asking, ma'am, show update and delete, show update and delete. I don't know what difficulties you people are facing in that. But just tell me if I want to update, what I should do. I should use merge method, right? Okay, fine. I will make use of. So what is the student object I have here? This is the student object, right? So I just want to change the name. What you will be doing? Create student object, student s is equal to new student. I'll write yes dot. What is the ID? ID is 1. Yes dot set name. I'll set it to Dimple Raj. And then I'll make use of entity transaction dot begin, entity manager dot persist, sorry, not persist, entity manager dot merge, yes, entity transaction dot commit. Now if I execute, what will happen? For whatever ID I have mentioned, it will get updated. Update student set name is equal to where ID. Yes, update query is getting executed here. Yes, I'll just go back to my workbench. I'll just refresh. Yeah, student name is getting updated here, right? Can you people see my screen here? From Dimple it has become Dimple Raj. Update is easy. Those who were asking me to show for update, the same way you should work with all the mapping. That's all, simple. Nothing is complicated. Similarly, you people can do remove also, right? Remove from whichever ID you want, whichever data you want to delete, just mention the ID, it will get removed. That's all. Don't make things complicated, guys. It's easy. Yes, now can you people fetch the data? Subject will not get deleted, Pavan, Kalyan. Subject will be as it is because I did not do anything with respect to subject, right? It will remain the same. Guys, try to fetch the data from the table. Subject will not get deleted. You would have been missed the ID. That is the reason it have been got deleted. Just check your program. Which one, Kavya? Get the data. What is the error you are getting, Vijay? Yes, you can update any data which is present in the table, Mohammed. I need to check the code, Vijay. First, everyone fetch the data from the table. First, everyone fetch the data from the table. Refresh, Sachin, you refresh your workbench. If not, there will be some problem while creating table. Just drop the table and run your program once again. If you're facing problem while inserting again, drop the table and execute the program once again. Vijay Gaurav, you also drop the table and execute the program once again. Drop the table and execute the program once again. Then I need to check the code. Hibernate will create the table by itself, Krishna. You don't create anything. Okay, Akash. Good. Commit is used to make the changes saved permanently in your database. If you people are having any desk, give your any desk ID to me. Okay. Pratik, I'm going to connect to your AnyDesk. Accept, okay. Next, I'll connect to Vijay. Pratik, table is getting created properly, everything is getting inserted properly, then what is the problem? You can't even refresh your database and check. Now you execute. Now you execute get data main method class. You will get. Vinith Vijay, connect to the AnyDesk. Like accept the request. What is the problem? Vinith, what you have done, you did not change the schema name itself and you are checking that table is not getting created. Vinith, are you here? You are able to hear me? Vinith, please do respond. Did you get to know what mistake you have done? Yes or no? Correct it. Change the name. Pratik, just connect once again, pa. Anyone else? Anyone else having problem? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Share any desk ID. Two students have given any desk ID very nicely. They have written program. Krishna, share it here, no, in chat. Okay. Kajal, you're trying to delete one, but that is dependent on the other table, right? So you will get error, okay? I will show you how to do all those. As of now, just understand the concept. Krishna, please accept the request. And tell me what is the problem. You should tell me what is the problem. If not, I'll not get to know. Krishna, what is the problem? Why did you create a folder called resources here? Who asked you to create? You should create like this, right? Meta inf and then persistence.xml. Why do you have this resources folder here on extra? This is the problem. Then who's this? Shivash Kumar. Shivash Kumar. Accept the request. Shivash Kumar, without providing mapping itself, you are trying to execute the program, right? What you people will listen in class when I'm explaining? When I'm explaining, I'll tell use annotation. Then what you people will be doing? All silly mistakes you will do. For this, you wanted me to waste time, connect to your system, and then tell you what is the problem. You can't check first only. I'm not telling this for one person, for everyone. Pankaj, connect. Guys, don't worry about update and delete, okay? I will tell you what to do. Just because you people were asking, I just explained. Okay, don't worry about update and delete. I will show you once after completing mapping what and all to be done. Fine. Just concentrate on mapping, annotation, how to insert, how to get. That is more important in mapping. Why do you want to put your head into everything and get confused? I'm going into a flow, right? Just accept that flow and understand things. That's all. Yes, what is the problem? Who has connected? Pankaj, what is the problem? After updation on printing subject not getting printed. Why have you written everything in same class? Then why I am writing in different class for fun or what? Why are you writing everything in the same class? You're getting here no student ID 1 subject ID. You're getting here, right? Then what is the problem? Show me your workbench. Where are the tables? Just display the table. Okay. Show me the student subject table. Why there is no data in student subject table, then how you will get? Huh? Drop these 3 tables. Drop the 3 tables. All together you should drop. Select one table, shift and select everything together and drop. Now execute the program. Just comment the last one. The find method, you just comment the last, just make a comment of it and then execute. It should get inserted properly. Merge method also, everything is the problem. From line 32, just comment any subject and many students also, Rahul. You create multiple objects, that's all. Create 2 more student object and Guys, anyone is having any problem? Did everyone do inserted? You're able to fetch it properly? Okay. You people were asking one doubt, right? It is getting deleted, ma'am. It is getting deleted, ma'am. You're telling, no? So now, is my screen visible to everyone? Is my screen visible? Whenever I'm trying to update here, I am not giving any object. I'm not setting any value to the subject, right? I'm not setting any value to the subject, right? That is the reason your data is getting deleted. That was the problem which you people are asking, right? So now what I will do here, the same subject only, I'll just copy paste. I'll insert it while updating also. Here what we should do is s dot set subject. Subject we are not setting. That was the problem here. Subject we are not setting. That was the problem here. Now if you execute, it will be fine. Guys, my voice is clear? Clear, right? Those who are having problem, please check your internet connection. Screen is visible? Yes, screen is visible. Good. I'll share this code in group. You people can execute, okay? Update code. We did not set the subject. Set subject. We did not set. That is the reason you had the problem. Now you will not have problem, okay? Fine. Fine, guys. So we are done with unidirection. One to one, one to many, many to one, many to many. Unidirection we have completed. You can give the same name. I have just copied and pasted the list. That's all. I did not do anything else. So unidirection we have completed. From tomorrow we'll try to understand about bidirection. It's very important, guys. In your project you will be using bidirection only, not unidirection. Okay. Since you understood unidirection, bidirection is easy. So you don't need to worry about that. Same scenario only. Code will differ. Little code will differ. That's all. Okay. From tomorrow we'll understand bidirection. So we are done with the class for today. Just revise all these mapping once again and then come to tomorrow's class, okay? Another 2 days. This week we'll complete Hibernate. From Monday we will start servlets, okay? So, fine. Okay. From Monday we will start servlets and then we will go on with Spring, so that I'll try to complete within this month if possible. If not, next month 1 week I'll extend. That's all. Saturday also we'll take class because I need to complete. We have wasted many days. So Saturday you will have class. Okay, guys. Thank you. Sunday if possible I'll take, because we'll see. Okay, fine, guys. Project also I will give you. Don't need to worry. Okay. Thank you, guys. Bye. Take care. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay. Revise and come to class. Okay, guys. You can leave the class now. Thank you. Bye. Take care.